Happy March and welcome back to Edu 90. Tim and Pryscilla here, and we've got lots of updates for you.
That's right. Stay tuned for news on CourseKit, the Doodle for Google competition, expeditions, and more. Let's get to it.
Let's start with CourseKit. Do you love using GiZztb but use a different learning management system at your school? CourseKit brings the best of GiZztb and Google Classroom to your LMS of choice. So if your school uses platforms like Blackboard, Canvas, or Moodle, sign up to test CourseKit in beta through the links shared below.
And we have lots to share with Edu OnAir, our online webinar series. We heard from you that for tools and programs, it's useful to deep dive and hear directly from the teams that work on them. Edu OnAir sessions are long-form webinars that help you get really comfortable with a given tool or topic, and we've just released our schedule for the coming months. Check it via the links below. Next, expeditions. Educators worldwide have leveraged expeditions to bring subjects to life with virtual and augmented reality. As a result of this growing global community, we recently released expeditions in 11 additional languages.
And lastly, the Doodle for Google competition is in full swing, and students can enter through March 18th. This year's theme is, When I Grow Up, I Hope. Head on over to doodleforgoogle.com for teacher resources and full contest details. Well, that's all the time we have for this episode. As always, check the description below for links and additional information, and don't forget to subscribe to the Google for Education YouTube channel so you don't miss an episode. We'll see you next time. Check out our last episode to see how the new gradebook in Google Classroom keeps assignments updated and all in one place, letting teachers and students save time and stay organized.